This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make gummy bears at home with gelatin. Start by gathering your essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 2 packets of unflavored gelatin, 1 3-ounce box of flavored gelatin, 1/3 cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of cold water. Also, have your silicone gummy bear mold ready, along with a small saucepan and a whisk. These simple items are the foundation for delicious homemade treats. First, pour 1/4 cup of cold water into your saucepan and sprinkle 2 packets of unflavored gelatin over it. Let this sit for about 5 minutes to bloom. Then, add the 3-ounce box of flavored gelatin and 1/3 cup of sugar to the saucepan. Gently heat this mixture over low heat, stirring continuously with a whisk until all the ingredients are completely dissolved and smooth. Once your mixture is smooth and warm, it's time for the fun part: molding. Carefully pour the liquid into your silicone gummy bear molds. A dropper or a small spoon can be very helpful for filling each tiny cavity precisely, preventing spills. After filling, place the molds in the refrigerator for at least 20 minutes. This chilling time is crucial for the gummies to set properly. After 20 minutes, your gummy bears should be perfectly set. Gently pop them out of their silicone molds. They should release quite easily. Store any uneaten gummies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week, or in the refrigerator for longer freshness. Now, you can enjoy your very own batch of delicious, chewy, and colorful homemade gummy bears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.